just seen that Mappa have dropped a Chainsaw Man teaser for 2026, which is very exciting considering how much we enjoyed the Reze Arc movie. So this one is called
Assassin's Arc. Oh, they're still in the movie theatre.
She's Alone.
Yeah. Oh.
The music
is a little bit dark.
Eerie.
Yeah, I don't know why.
I'm guessing these are the new characters. Oh. Denji? New characters. Oh. These are always chained or taken or kidnapped or something.
That's why it's called Chainsaw Man, isn't it?
Ah!
Okay.
What?
I mean,
that's definitely a teaser because we got nothing from that.